Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I got a real nice video for you guys, something a little bit different than what we normally do on this channel, which is pretty much everything anyway. We look at charts, we talk about gems, we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about altcoins, we talk about Ethereum. We just want to put as much information out there as possible to help as many people in this crypto game as we possibly can, and we all gonna get this money together. So the reason why I said it's a real special video is because I got reached out to by the people over at Safepal, and they sent me one of their hardware wallets to do a review on, and I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna open this thing up and tell you exactly my thoughts on the Safepal wallet. As you guys know, I don't like to lie to y'all. I like to keep it 100, and I'll let you guys know what I really think about this wallet. You know, with a lot of things that's going on in the market, with so many scams going around and stuff like that, we need more options for securing our cryptocurrency, because if you put it in the bank, or if you leave it on exchange, it is not your coins, it is an IOU, not your keys, not your coins. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play a little bit of the video that I recorded, just showing you guys a little bit about the wallet as I was opening it. This is a Safepal wallet. Comes in a nice little black box. When you open it up, you're gonna see the wallet right away. The wallet is a cool size, has a nice little sleek design to it. Not too bad, not too bad. It fits right in your pocket. It's pretty light, very light actually. Under the wallet, when you open it up, you get a nice little Safepal sticker. You get your thank you note, and on the back of the thank you note, it has some of the setup instructions. So there's that there. You get a nice little cleaning cloth, and then you get your card to write down your keys, and you can choose between 12, 24, 36 word keys. Didn't really show up on the camera there, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, the wallet's pretty cool. As you can see, it's about the size of a business card. So I put up a business card for reference, so you can see a little bit smaller than a business card anyway. And when you turn on buttons on the side, you can scan. The camera on the Safepal works pretty good. You can use that to scan QR codes, and you also use that to set it up on your phone with the app on your phone. So I'll bring up the app. It actually has a pretty nice interface. And here I am. I just wanted to do a little preview of, you know, the camera. So here is the user interface. Nice clean user interface. Comes with a couple stock tokens, but you can add all these coins that are available on here: Dot, Doge, Digibyte, Kusama, Qtum. It's backed by Binance, so you can add Binance Smart Chain tokens to here. You can enter any Ethereum token that you want to enter into, with, you know, just like you would on like MetaMask or something like that. So the interface for this is actually pretty cool. It's not bad at all. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice wallet. The size is a pretty good size. It's pretty convenient. The app is pretty nice. You can exchange and do things on your app. There's a lot of stuff that you can do inside the app with this wallet. It's actually pretty damn cool. I was actually thinking, like, you know, the other day, I actually have a story about 2 days ago. I went to San Francisco, and I went to the restaurant, and they actually had the option to pay with cryptocurrency. And since I don't keep cryptocurrency on the phone that I had on me, I couldn't actually pay with it. But if I had this wallet, you know, I could have just used the camera right there to scan the QR code and send and pay with crypto. So it makes it a little bit easier to pay with crypto, which is pretty cool. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Safepal company, because if you guys know me, you guys know I do my research. So I didn't want to just bring anything to you guys. I wanted to actually look in here and make sure that there were some cool things going on with this project. So they got the wallet, the hardware wallet, and they have the metal wallet that keeps it safe from corrosion and stuff like that. So if you don't have one of these for your private keys, it's actually pretty cool, little extra protection. If your house burns down or something like that, or you get a flood, your private keys are still safe. You know, having them on a little piece of cardboard paper, you know, on the gives you a little wrist right there. So you can order one of those. That's pretty cool. The app, as you've seen, was pretty nice app, but they're partners. So they're actually part of Binance's squad. So Binance is one of the backers of this project. So that's pretty cool. And now they have all of these other partners that are actually working with them, and you're actually able to use these coins on your wallet. Use Wallet Connect to connect your wallet and stuff like that. Another thing I like about this wallet is it's actually pretty nice and it has a good price point. So if you click right here and you go and see how much the wallet costs, it's only 40 bucks. You know, it's only 40 bucks. It's not expensive at all. You know, other wallets of the same quality, I say, would cost you about $100, $150. This one is pretty light, pretty easy to use. Yeah, I actually like it. I'll probably, you know, carry this one around more than I carry around my Ledger wallet because of the design. You know, it fits in your pocket really sleek, kind of like a business card. And you know, if I ever want to use crypto, then it's easy to do right there. But the price point on it is actually not bad at all, $39.99. So I hit 2,000. Like I said, I'm gonna send somebody one of these wallets. Now this is not part of the team asking me to do this. I'm just doing this because I like the wallet and I love my subscribers. So put 2 and 2 together. I'm gonna order this and put your address in the address box and send it directly to you from here, so you can know that I didn't tamper with it and I didn't touch it, and stuff like that. So comment on this video if you want to be entered to win one of these Safepal wallets, and then I will enter you into a drawing on a live video. Last thing, this is also something of just me doing my own research. I noticed that they have the Safepal token coming soon. When you go on the app, it says, hey, Safepal token coming soon. So I would like to be an early adopter of the Safepal token. I don't know any other hardware wallet that actually has a token that has rewards, incentive, bonus programs, fees, governance, and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think about the Safepal wallet. Are you going to buy one? Are you going to enter the giveaway? Because that's going to be dope. Even if you don't enter any giveaway, slide through for the live stream. Grab your favorite brew, your favorite drink, your favorite wine. Even if you just want your favorite water, it's fine with me. Come through, have a drink with me when we have the live stream to give away one of these nice wallets right here. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.